If you're looking to integrate Tenable with Palo Alto networks, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and effective steps to get your Tenable vulnerability management and Palo Alto networks firewall seamlessly working together. Now, before we dive in, I want to mention that you can try Tenable completely free with our exclusive offer linked below. Plus, we've got some bonus perks that you won't want to miss. Stick around to the end to find out more. So, let's get started. First up, the integration process begins with setting up Tenable's Security Center, or Tenable, IO platform. This will be the foundation where all of your vulnerability scanning data will be pulled from. Security Center is where you configure your scans, whereas Tenable, IO is more cloud-based, offering additional flexibility if you're managing assets across multiple environments. Next thing, you'll want to access Palo Alto Networks Firewall. You need to ensure that your firewall is running the latest version of CanOS. This step is crucial because Tenable's integration capabilities rely on certain features that are only available in newer versions. Once you're up to date, we can move forward. Now, let's connect the two systems. To do this, you'll navigate to Tenable's integration section, which is available within the platform settings. There, you will locate the Palo Alto Networks integration option. This step involves entering your Palo Alto Networks credentials to establish a secure connection between the two systems. You'll input your API key and necessary authentication details, which allow Tenable to pull real-time vulnerability data from your Palo Alto firewall. The fourth thing to consider is configuring your scan settings. This is where Tenable will gather your vulnerabilities, so you'll need to customize the scan settings based on your network security needs. You can set up specific parameters for scanning and prioritize critical vulnerabilities based on risk scores. Be sure to enable the vulnerability feed from Palo Alto to ensure that you're getting the most accurate and up-to-date information about your network security. Next up, you'll need to map your Palo Alto firewall's data into Tenable's dashboard. This step involves setting up dashboards to visualize the results. Once the data starts flowing in, Tenable will present vulnerability information alongside your firewall traffic data, allowing you to see exactly where your network is at risk and what vulnerabilities need urgent attention. This visibility is key to improving your overall security posture. The final thing you should keep in mind is automated alerts. Once everything is set up, you can configure automatic alerts to notify you whenever a high-priority vulnerability is detected. This integration not only saves you time by streamlining vulnerability management, but it also allows for quicker response times when critical issues arise. Now that we've covered the main steps, I want to remind you that you can get an extended free trial of Tenable through the link below. This exclusive offer will give you full access to explore these features and more. Whether you're using Security Center or Tenable, IO, this integration can give you a comprehensive view of your network security and help you act before vulnerabilities become real threats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description for more details on how to get started with Tenable and Palo Alto networks.